Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Devanis Osuko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a dual color effect to your image. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first what I'm going to do, I'm going to come right here, then click on it, then I'll get to gradient. So I'll just click on gradient. So once I'm done clicking on gradient, I'll double click at that point, then I'll double click here just to pick a color. So here I'm going to pick red for it. So once I'm done, I'll hit OK, then I'll come to this angle and I'll change the figure to 150. So after I'm done with the first one, I'll hit OK, then I'll still go back to this point, then click on gradient again. So this other part I want to add blue to it, so I'll double click, then I'll double click on this as well just to pick another color. So I'll pick blue for this part, then hit OK. Then I'll now come to the angle, then I'll type in 0. So after I'm done, I'll click OK. I'll now come right here, I'll double click these two layer, these two gradient. So after double clicking it, I'll change the blending mode to color. So after changing it to color, this is it. It's quite simple and easy to do. So if you think the effect is too much, you can reduce the opacity and you can add the opacity to be much. So on this, I'll just reduce it to 85. So you can now see the before and after of it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more. Or for now, see you in the next video. Bye.